When I think back about my career and my days at Ryder and what has been accomplished, and that's maybe why I have such a soft spot in my heart for Ryder. It really did set me on the right track and prepare me. I had a professor of advertising, and he's the one that kind of connected me with some outside projects. And this professor also helped me connect with our placement office and an outside career conference that was going on. And frankly, it was that connection that allowed me to meet Johnson & Johnson. Spent 36 years, my entire career. I just stayed with one company, went through their different divisions, and eventually made my way to the top and made a wonderful retirement for me once I decided to retire at 60 years old. So I not only appreciate the education I received, but I also appreciated the help in getting me started in a career that turned out to be very meaningful and successful. You know, I think back about young people in high school when they're making a decision about what to do, and do I go off to college, and what major. And the point I'd like to make is you don't always have to have the answers, and you don't always have to set yourself on a path that you can't vary. You can wander to different areas of interest, and when you find it, you can change. Just like I did. I thought I was going to be in medicine. I switched to marketing and finance at Ryder. It gave me a great opportunity to pursue what was of interest and what I excelled in. You know, the gift that we are making to Ryder really is designed to help students with accommodations and help the institution thrive. These are interesting and challenging times, and we wanted to make sure that Ryder continues to provide the types of education that we've received and other students have received in the past.